Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, bed liner, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.